Hi, I'm Jo Reardon from thermojo.com. I've owned a Thermomix since 2009 and I love it. I use it all the time, basically every day. I want you to love yours too, and I want you to get the most out of it. It is a big investment, but it can add so much value for anyone that cooks. The Thermojo 30-day Kickstart gives you everything you need to start using your Thermomix and make the most of all the features and modes. This is not created or provided by Thermomix. This is unique and has been created by me for you. This is for you if you have a brand new Thermomix, or if you have a Thermomix you've had a little while but you're not using as often as you like, or if you're not as confident as you'd like to be when you do use it. Perhaps also you're taking a deep dive into what the Thermomix can do before you buy, and so you can also get a benefit out of the Kickstart program. Across the 30 days of videos, as you see here, I cover what you can do before your Thermomix arrives. I show you all the parts and accessories and all the modes and functions. I will show you Cookie-Doo, the Thermomix recipe database, and we can talk about meal planning as well as demonstrating some simple recipes, and I give you a lot of recipe recommendations. Once you're inside Kickstart, you'll be greeted by this outline page showing all 30 days. You get access to everything straight away. Going through each day in order will help you understand all the content. However, you can skip to whichever day you like at any time. Let's look at day 7 as an example. This shows the video waiting for you to watch, and below we have links to the recipes that I talked through in the video. You can also see on the left that you can go to any day at any time and navigate from here. Throughout the 30 days, I will show you how to search, save, and make the most of Cookie-Doo, how to find and follow recipes on the TM6 using guided cooking, how to make some of the basics, how to navigate the touchscreen and adjust your settings, how to access and use every mode of the TM6, and how to use manual cooking and convert recipes that you already have to the Thermomix method. I love using my Thermomix to make almost everything I cook. I want you to feel confident with using your Thermomix every time you cook, and I can't wait to meet you inside the Thermojo 30-day Kickstart.